Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and in today's video we want to learn how to create this fun tutorial image on photo manipulation. Okay, so if you are new subscribers, you are welcome, and if you are previous subscribers, congratulations as well. Remember to like this video and drop your comments about this video. So without much ado, I'll be clearing off this. Okay, so I'll come to my background menu here and image size. So I'll be selecting YouTube channel banner, so I'll click on OK. Okay, so I'll come to my color and come to gradient. I'll choose a random color here, so I'll click on OK. So to make this more fun, I'll enable this noise effect, this area here. I will enable this noise effect and work on the alpha, the opacity. So that is okay. I'll just click on OK. So the next thing is to come to this shape menu and start to import my elements. So I come to my photo room, and here is the phone image. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys to download. So I'll come. Okay, 74 is okay. Now drop it here. So I'll come to import again and import. So here's the image, also in the description box. Okay, so I'll work a bit on this image. I'll come to my color filter here, so I'll work on the saturation just a bit. I'll work on the brightness, too bright, so I will off this. So anyway, it's okay. I will come to my opacity and reduce the opacity. Okay, and change this size to 48. Okay, let's use 48. So then you position it. I reduce the opacity so that I'll be able to see what I'll be editing over here. So I will use my position tool again to give it more direction. Okay, so the next thing is to come to this max. First of all, I will enable the max tool, and on the bezier mode I will enable this, so I have option of dragging it over here. So then I'll come back to this option, then I will off it again. Okay, so the next thing is to enable this zoom tool and start doing your work. Okay, just watch closely as I do it. So let's start from here. Okay, just watch closely. So adjust this as well. Okay, so then I zoom out. It's not really precise, but I think this is okay. So on my max mode, I'll click on out. Okay, so I'll come to my opacity here and increase it back to 100. So I'll make a copy of it and disable this max. So I'll disable it. Okay, so the next thing is to reselect, so it will be able, so the filter I add on it will be applied on this image as well. So I'll click on my, and I already removed this background, so here is it. I click on OK, and let me change my size to 48 to make it lap over another. So I come to my position, okay. Now this is it guys. So you can just add more font to this and come to your shadow on the phone. I'm tapping on the phone, so you come to your shadow and I enable the shadow. So I would prefer black. Okay, so I'll come to my offset, and if you prefer, you can reduce the opacity of the black or leave it that way. So I'll click on OK. So here we have it guys. That's all about the video, and if you really find this content helpful, remember to share to others and smash notification bell if you haven't, and subscribe if you haven't. So see you guys next week Friday. Keep creating. Bye.